When a project in Affinity starts to look soft or the print comes out blurry, the cause almost always comes from the DPI. This setting decides how sharp your work looks. Many people search for a simple DPI button inside the document and never find it in Affinity by Canva. That moment slows everything down. You don't need to feel stuck because the steps are clear once you know where the app hides this setting. Start with a fresh screen in Affinity. Close any open file so the home area shows up with your recent projects and the Create button. This part matters because Affinity gives access to the DPI field when a new document begins. Click on the plus button to create a new document. A panel appears with different categories and presets. These presets control size, units, color mode, and your DPI number. Tap the preset name so the detailed settings open. You will see a field labeled DPI next to the document size. The number might show 72 or 300. You can type any value you need. You can also create your own preset that you can then open every time you start a new document. However, there is something important to know. When you plan to print something, 300 is a safe choice. When you work on a digital project, a lower DPI can be enough. The setting depends on your final goal, and this is the place where you set it with confidence. This part often feels hidden, so checking it now avoids problems later. After you enter your DPI number, scroll through the rest of the settings. If you want to reuse this setup, type a name for the preset. A clear name saves time in your next project. For example, a preset labeled Poster 300 or Web Banner 144 helps you pick the right setup with one tap. Affinity remembers everything, so you won't need to update these fields again. Press Create Document once the settings look right. Now your new file opens with the correct resolution built into the canvas. Every tool you use now follows that DPI. Strokes, shapes, placed images, and export settings all work with the resolution you set at the start. This step gives you full control before you draw anything. A common question comes up at this point. Can the DPI change after the document is created? In Affinity by Canva, the answer is yes. Even once you create a document, you can change the DPI of it. Just go to the top menu, select Document, and here select Document Setup. Here, under the document units, you can find the DPI setting and a value you can easily change. Another thing that confuses people is thinking DPI controls digital clarity. DPI mainly applies to printed work. Digital clarity depends on pixel dimensions. Once you understand the difference, the numbers make more sense. When your goal is print, set your DPI at the start. When your goal is digital, focus on pixel size during export. Now you have full control of how DPI works inside Affinity by Canva. You know where the setting lives, why the app hides it in presets, and how to prepare a file that prints cleanly. You avoid the usual mistakes and you move through new projects with a smoother flow. The next time you need perfect clarity, you will know exactly where to set it